Almost every winter at this time, right after the first snow or ice storm of the season, we'll hear of a horror story that took place where a rancher had taken out the good hay for the first time during that weather event. What I mean by the good hay, he's been feeding either grass hay, no hay, or just a little supplement all fall. And then during the snowstorm decides to bring out one of the hay crops that was a summer annual, one of those in the forage sorghum family. Those are of course more likely to have accumulated nitrate while they were growing last summer. In that situation where those cattle were not at all used to consuming that kind of a forage that contained nitrate, plus they were a little stressed due to the winter weather that we've had and perhaps were hungry, took on a really large meal of this potentially high nitrate forage, then the end result is the rancher finds several dead cattle around the hay ring the following morning. How are we going to prevent this situation from happening? First of all, if you have some of the hays from some of the sorghum forage families, take and make sure that you had a nitrate test run on that hay to know what the nitrate content is and if it's potentially dangerous. Then if you're on the borderline and or do not know what the nitrate content is, you'll want to dilute that hay with perhaps making sure that the cattle have access to other hays, grass hays, and certainly some range cubes as well, to dilute the possibility of the high nitrate coming from that forage sorghum hay alone. By doing this, then I think you can reduce the risk, perhaps not eliminate it, but reduce the risk of having that high nitrate horror story happening at your place. And if you'd like to learn a little more about testing hay, go to the SunUp website. That's sunup.okstate.edu. Look on the show links for this week. We've got a link there for the Forage and Soil Testing Laboratory here at OSU, plus a fact sheet on how to take a good forage sample. And we look forward to visiting with you next week on SunUp's Cow-Calf Corner.